The Git Reflog command is very useful for going back to a previous action or commit. The reflog will list all of your actions from most recent to the oldest. Now let's test Git Reflog in our sandbox. So we put Git Reflog. Okay, good. As you can see, I'm getting a list of all my commands along with their refs and SSH IDs. Now, to get back to a particular commit, we're going to take the SSH ID or the commit reference and perform a git checkout to switch back to that command. So we say git checkout. Let's say I'm taking this one now, the one with the last one, FOD7. Okay, let us say I'm checking out to 27 F3 F97. Okay, just like that, you enter. Good. Now I've been switched to this commit. I'm now being prepared back in time to this very commit I did earlier.